How to use AI Treatment Note, your best assistant for treatment documentation. First, during a consultation, go to the appointment and select Add Treatment Notes. Choose the treatment note template you need and ensure the appointment details are correct. You'll see the Treatment Note AI plugin with a record button below. Simply click the record button to start. Conversation between doctor and patient begins.
I have very yellowish teeth, as you can tell over here. It's okay. I used to have my braces last time, and until I've removed my braces off, and it has been yellowish till now, right? And recently, I've been experiencing very hard residue along the gum line. It's something hard and small and tiny along the gum line, and I do not know what is that, and it kind of hurts sometimes.
I see. All right. Have you been experiencing any other symptom like bad breath, gum irritation, or sensitivity?
Oh yes, like I mentioned to you.
As the conversation flows, the AI listens in real time, analyzing and summarizing key points based on your selected template. For example, you'll see sections like chief complaint, diagnosis, treatment plan will be filled by the AI along the consultation session. Once the consultation is complete, review the AI-generated summary, make any necessary edits, and last, save it seamlessly. Save time, focus on your patient. Start using the AI treatment note now.